Wow, this is crime scene. But what we do here, doctor?
On crime scene there are many process.
Can explain about it?
Okay. Lee, firstly we do protecting a crime scene through barricading, like this. Secondly, we do searching of evidence.
Then let's go, doctor, for searching.
Wait a minute. Lee, there's some method or type of searching. See this video.
Searching methods. Strip method. The whole area is to be searched, and divided into a convenient number of strips. Each strip is examined carefully as shown in figure. Whenever any item of physical evidence is found, it is properly collected and preserved. The process is continued till the entire area has been searched. Spiral method. Here the search is started from one end of the crime scene, carried out in spirals till the focal point of the crime scene. It is of two types: inward and outward. Zone method. The scene is divided into small zones and each zone is examined in turn. Grid method. In the grid search method, the I/O begins like a strip search. After completing the search by horizontal lanes, he searches back at right angles to the original strip as shown in figure. This search from two different angles helps in the recovery of evidence which may be missed in simple strip method, also known as cross-strip method. Pie or wheel method. It is a search pattern in which the area is divided into pie slices or sections of a wheel, usually 6 in number. Crime scene searches start from a critical point, such as body, and travel outwards along straight lines or rays.
Oh. I'm sorry, doctor.
It's ok. After searching evidences, we mark the evidence by numerical numbers 1, 2, 3. For understanding, see this.
So why we took cameras with us?
Lee? Using of cameras in documentation part. In documentation there's some part, like photography, videography and sketching.
Now I understand. Can I do documentation part, doctor?
Okay. Okay. But
what, doctor?
In photography and videography done in 3 ways.
3 ways?
Yes. First, do overall photography or videography. After that, do mid-range photography and videography. And in the end, do close-up videography and photography. In sketching there is 5 methods. Watch this.
Sketching of 2 types. Rough sketching, prepared quickly on crime scene. Final sketching, prepared with tools and techniques. Methods of sketching. Rectangular coordinates best suited for crime scenes with clear and specific boundaries, such as interior crime scenes. Based primarily on the use of 2 measurements for any given article. Also difficult to measure accurately at right angles to walls that are 5 to 10 feet away. Triangulation method. The triangulation method is a bird's eye view of the scene that uses fixed objects from which to measure. This is particularly useful for sketching outdoor crime scenes where there are no easily identifiable points of reference. In this procedure, 2 or more widely separated points of reference are required. The item of interest is then located by measuring along a straight line from the reference points. Baseline coordinates most suitable for exterior scenes without evident landmarks, although it can be used inside. The 2 measurements fix the object in relation to the baseline and the datum. Cross-projection method. The cross-projection method is used in indoor crime scenes. It is basically a top-down view of the crime scene, with the walls of the room folded down, to reveal location of bullet holes, blood splatter evidence, and so on, which would not be apparent otherwise. Measurements are then made from a designated point on the floor to the area on the wall in the question. Compass method. It indicates location of the object by providing angle from a fixed distance.
Now I understand all the methods, doctor. Thank you.
Always welcome, dear.
But doctor,
Oh no. We will talk later, dear.